morning. Rinswat. Rinswat. Oh, she's so soft. Hey, good job. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, sorry. Good morning from Bangkok. I am on my way to get my coffee, my first coffee in Thailand. It's supposed to be really good, so. Ooh, it smells really good. What's the Thai style coffee?
It's like a latte with a condense.
Ah, okay. I'll have that. Oh no, there's a twin cat. Hello. Wow. Is this real? You're just sleeping. Oh, so soft. Thank you. Oh, hey! Cheers! Where are you coughing? That cat is there inside, and it's like a twin of our cat in our hostel. Yeah, they look the same. It's my first coffee in Thailand.
Is it?
Oh, that's so good. I got the Thai version with the condensed milk.
Yeah.
This is really good.
That is really nice.
Somewhere, a solo exhibition by Waranyu Anpraswet. I actually went to an art high school.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And for 4 years, you know what I learned? To how to bullshit your artwork. You always have to find a symbol. So like, see the yellow is like her hope and her dream. But then there's reality of like doubt. Right? And like fogginess. Like there's all these like noise that she has to fight. But she has this red passion circling her dream. So she has to keep fighting.
Keep fighting.
Yeah.
Too deep for me.
Do this one. Do this one.
This one. I think about my nephews.
Oh, why?
When she drawing
Oh, that's cute.
more.
I think this is a kitchen appliance. and a mixer.
But I feel like this one's like a cry.
Cry?
Yeah. I don't know, Yeah.
Crying mixer.
Okay.
What fried eggs look like in the upside down world. This one, I see a lot of anger. I think she was waiting on the phone with her telephone company for 2 hours.
I need to know what it means.
This is what we are now. Because we used to all be like the Buddha, connected to our divineness. But we're now wearing a suit. We're too occupied with our ego. And we're just trying to look good for the society. But deep inside, we're all Buddhas.
For me, it feels like the commercial.
Exactly, yeah. The Buddha turned into a commercial and object. Consumerism. Now the Buddha is a consumer. Wow. This is very cool, yeah. Just basically carved away the wall. To Artista Portugués Alexandra Pardo something. Oh, he's so soft. He's so soft. Hello. She's saying hi. Oh, they're baby kitties. Oh my gosh, she can't even jump. Oh, she has fierce eyes.
You cannot get in.
Baby, so sweetie. Oh, their eyes. Wow. Hi, baby girl. Oh, it's so cute. It's a very cool looking cafe. So hot. I got myself a very, very smoothie. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, what the?
You can't do it. I did it with one arm. You can do it.
Whoa, I can't go. morning. It's 5:45 in the morning. I just came out to take a photo. Well, this has to be the cutest cat ever. I feel like she sees me. Look at her eyes. Wow. Is she God? Are you in there? Please end my karmic cycle so I don't need to be born again. Thank you. Bye bye. Guys, this is so cool. I feel like I'm in the musical Cats. They're like staring down at me. There are so many street cats here. Sorry. Oh, that cat's actually scared. I'm sorry. Okay, bye bye. Have a great day. I think this cat wants to be part of the crew back there, but she is being rejected for some reason. Maybe she's too pretty. Oh, she has a collar. That's why. She's a house cat. Hello. Hi, baby. Wow, you're very good looking. Oh. Wow, I've never seen that before. Oh, are you happy? 아이고 좋아. I am very allergic to you. I wish I wasn't, but that's what I am. Good boy. Girl, I don't know, but I'm happy you're happy. It's beautiful. Almost looks like a leopard or something. Very beautiful. Bye bye. Have a great day. I hope you get lots of fish. Hello. Oh, 8 baht? Icon here? Okay. I can smell the ocean. Literally like a bus on water. That's the wall there. Made it to the other side. Wow. Guys, this place is crazy. They have all this food. Holy! This is like lobster? Giant river prawns grilled. This is a shrimp? No way. Wait, that's a lobster beside it. They're like the same size. It's crazy. Look at all this seafood. Salmon, shrimp. The entire pig here. Crispy pork. Holy moly, it looks pretty good. Wow. And the entire crocodile. Look at this.
1 kilo, 280.
280. Oh, okay. Thank you. That tells me how expensive this place is because in my neighborhood, the mangosteen is 70 baht, sometimes 50 baht per kilogram. That's crazy. That's 4 times more expensive here. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow, kawaii. Every time I visit these Asian countries, I feel like such a country girl from Canada. But like I'm from one of the biggest cities in Canada, it's Toronto, but like our malls are, I think this might be one of the best shopping malls I've ever been to in the entire world. Look how beautiful this place is. Wow, so pretty. This is a beautiful Starbucks. It's like science happening here. Oh, this is so nice. They just finished I think it's a Muay Thai performance, but I just missed it and caught the bit of the end. It looks so cool. When I was coming down, I started hearing these like noises like, and I was like, what is going on? And they were just doing a performance. That is something I would like to try, Muay Thai. Well, that was fun. Baby drum. Look at her tail. This is the funniest shirt ever. Okay, it says Burberry, but this shoes says Gucci. And then it says London Engeland. Engeland. I can't even say it.
It was a gift from Lao. I went to a party and then somebody gave it to me.
I love it. Are you open? Which one is good? Best menu. We have recommendations. Many menu. Best one. Which one? With what's good?